Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I absolutely love using this Honest mascara because it makes my lashes look so long and full without having to use false lashes. I'm pretty no nonsense when it comes to makeup. I don't want to spend more than 4 or 5 minutes in the bathroom getting ready for the day. And I really like how easy this is to apply and how good it looks. So this is a two-step process. You first prime your lashes, and this is really great because it builds a really nice foundation to put the colored mascara on top of and helps it to last longer with less smudge throughout the day. Once you apply the primer, you're going to wait 30 seconds and then you can apply the mascara. I got the Extreme Length mascara in black, and I found that I only need one coat of the mascara itself after I apply the primer. I hate it when I use a mascara that gets under my eyes throughout the day and then I'm constantly having to wipe off mascara, and I've noticed that this does not do that, and that makes me really happy. It's also a total plus that this is vegan, cruelty-free, and EWG certified. I really love how this mascara is easy to apply and just makes my eyes pop, and that's my point of view.